Hey ladies, it's me, Gwen Jones, and I'm here to do a wig review on Bobby Boss's Gabi, okay? And the color I received is the TT4 270, and I'm here to tell you it's a gorgeous color. But before I go on any further in this review, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. If you have any questions, you all let me know. All right, let me tell you, this wig, let me just show you. I can show you better than I can tell you, baby. Look at the color on that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. I love it. Oh, it just has like the perfect waves. And the color is like gorgeous to me because this right here, that color right there, and it's like in the front, it's going to give me life. I'm telling you, I'm loving it already. I'm not even wearing it, baby, and I'm loving it. Oh my gosh. Stay tuned. I don't know about you, boo, but I am liking you. As you can see, I have already taken off cut off the lace that was in the front. My hair is not laying quite the way I would like it to. Because it's not braided underneath, it's just kind of twisted. So, you know, I have to do a little extra work here. Might have to cut it just a little bit more, but okay. Got just a little bang right there. Oh, that color. Oh, there it is. There's that color that's giving me life. Yes, beauty was under $40. I'm not too concerned about the part. I might pluck just a few pieces out. But other than that, like seriously, for under $40, yeah. Yeah, I'm loving it. Okay. So glad that I purchased this wig. Yeah, I better go ahead and get it in black. We'll get a 1B because I think it'll look super cute in 1B as well. Really digging this wig, y'all. Alright, so again, this is by Bobby Boss. This is called the Gabi. And it is the Swiss lace front wig. And it is MLF 194. Like I said, I got mine from Amazon because it had a cheaper price. And it was free shipping, and it got here the next day. So if you have Prime, might be something that you may want to do. Yeah. So it has a C part, 3.5 deep. Y'all do not have on my glasses, so you know, I apologize for that. But, you know, the information is online as well. I'm loving it. Oh, yeah. I'm going to get a couple of others. Make sure I get black. I'll probably get another one of these. You know. Or I may even try to color that she's sporting right here. Because that's mighty cute, too. Alright, that's it for this sweet and short review on the Gabi. Have a wonderfully blessed day, y'all. Bye-bye. This video has been brought to you by GiGi's Jewelry Boutique,
where fun, fabulous fashion is affordable.